Everyone, today we are going to see Dell Latitude laptop, and the model number of this laptop is 5400 and it is manufactured in 2020 year. Okay, today we will see specification of this laptop, what are the ports available in this laptop, and for what we can use this laptop, and finally we will see the pricing. Okay, let's start with the specifications. So this laptop has a Intel i5 processor with 8th generation, and it is second version of 8th generation processor, and it comes with 8 GB RAM, and there is one more variant which comes with 16 GB RAM, and it has 256 GB SSD NVMe format, and the battery life is excellent in this laptop. And the condition of this laptop is like very less used. It looks like new. So let's see the ports of this laptop, the available ports of this laptop. In the left side we can see it has a charging port, USB-C port, and one USB port. And in the right side we have audio jack, two USB ports, one HDMI port for external monitor, Ethernet port for internet. And the keyboard has a backlight, you can see, and the keys are really good. It's very nice to type, and touchpad is also very good because of the business series. So it comes with camera and camera shutter, so it can be closed here. So it has 14-inch display with full HD resolution, and the laptop has very less usage mark. You can see here it is totally like new. So let's see the usage of this laptop. So it can be used for browsing. YouTube will be very smooth in this laptop because of i5 8th generation processor, and it comes with okay, so it is updating in the background. The full HD resolution will be very smooth in this laptop. YouTube and Microsoft Office tools will run smoothly in this laptop, like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and PowerPoint will be very nice working with this laptop. It will run very smoothly. Okay, let's see the pricing of this laptop. So we can see it is sold for like 25,000 around, and we are selling this laptop for 21,000 friend, and it comes with original Dell charger, so you can see here. So if you guys are interested, please write us in WhatsApp, and support us by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much.